Salle Parish until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending
Oh, crap. Doesn't work. Wop, wop, wop. Well, luckily we have you. Oh, goodness. This is WSK78 via KQID.
The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Grand Parish in north central Louisiana, southern Waxhaw Parish in north central Louisiana, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Walters to 7 miles east of Colfax, moving south at 20 miles per hour.
Oh, yeah. And,
60 miles per hour.
get this radio, too.
Hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pollock, Dry Prong, Fishville, Rogers, Bentley, and Catahoula Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Y'all don't say the word Pete?